Hey, buddy. Hey, bud. Can we get this on you? Here. Here you go, bud. Don't lick it, because that'll make it worse. Yeah. Oh, buddy. Yeah.
It got both of his legs and that
Looks
ear.
like his back leg, too. Yeah.
That.
Yeah. The ear, that front leg's bad. It's really infected. His back leg looks swollen, too. The underneath one.
Oh.
Yeah. He got beat up. Somebody bit you up, didn't they, buddy? Yeah. We'll take care of you. You know that. Oh, we will take care of you.
Yeah, when I call it, you got slush puppy, or pineapple slush from me.
Yeah. He's got baby inside.
Huh? Let me see. Oh my gosh, you sure do. You are going to be a big boy then.
He just lost a tooth.
Yeah. You are going to be a big boy.
He's just a little baby.
Good job, buddy.
He's very brave.
So somebody kicked my butt. Yeah. Look at them swollen.
Your ear looks good. Just one ear. Big old form.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. He's bruised. Can you guys tell maybe about how long ago?
At least a couple days. Yeah. 3 or 4 days maybe.
Ooh.
Yeah,
His toe is like coming off or something.
paw pad.
Oh my gosh. What?
Looks nice and clean though.
Just gonna go home.
Oh, it's because you got a little bite up there. Get you on the noggin.
You're going to have the best haircut.
For real.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, his ear one's pretty bad.
Did it bite through his ear? Not quite.
Not quite.
But pretty stinking close.
Yeah.
Luckily.
A couple days, yeah.